Hello everyone, and welcome to the Iterators and Generators homework solution lecture. So in this lecture we'll be quickly going over some of the solutions for the Iterators and Generators homework assignment. So problem 1, hopefully it was pretty simple. All you had to do was say for I in range n, and then yield that I squared. Problem 2, a little more complicated since we introduced this random library, but pretty similarly, you just had to say for I in range n, and then yield, and then basically this line, but with the inputs low, high. Okay, problem 3, what I really wanted you to do was to convert the s to an iterator using the iter function, and then be able to print next s, just like we did in the lecture. Problem 4, one use case for a generator is when your output's going to take, or has the potential to take up a large amount of memory, and you only intend to iterate through it, you'd want to use a generator. Obviously, multiple answers are acceptable here. Basically anything we mentioned in the lecture that you felt was appropriate. Then for the extra credit, basically this was a generator comprehension. Just like there are list comprehensions and dictionary comprehensions, you can actually create a generator comprehension. So it's just a quick way of basically, if we scroll up, a quick way of making these kind of generator functions, but instead of having to write this formal syntax, you just write this in parentheses. Okay, so you can Google generator comprehension or check out the official documentation if you're interested in exploring that topic further. Other than that, that's it for the iterators and generators section of this course. Main takeaway is just to keep in mind to use generators when they're appropriate, and the yield statement is what makes a normal function into a generator function. Okay, thanks everyone, and I'll see you at the next lecture.